Here we go.
Yeah, you ain't know I was a character. You ain't know I was a,
Okay, it is Dizzy here, or Rule of the Rod if you know me from gaming. And today we are outside, as you can see. I'm here to work on my tricks and flips. It's something I'm not really confident with, and it's something I want to train for this year so that I can have. It's always been like a weakness of mine, so I want to make a goal to be able to hit consecutive flips, and either consecutive flips or tricks. Like, that's the goal for me, because that's kind of like nerve-wracking trying to do 2 backflips or something, or you know, even round off back tuck, as basic as it may seem, is pretty nerve-wracking to me. So yeah, I just want to get out here and give it some real effort and keep giving it effort so that I can hit my goal of hitting at least 2 or 3 backflips in one succession, and some other tricks like kick the moon. Here we go. Woo! Let's get it. I think I can kick higher, harder. Kick harder. Oh. We're gonna try at least 5 of them. I'm slipping. Let me take these socks off. I don't know why I'm out here in socks. Like, that's not the smartest thing. Okay.
What?
This feels a lot better. That's 4. I've only landed 1. Like, that's terrible. Let's get it. Woo! Okay. That's like 2 out of 5, which is not that good. I need to do that better, and I don't like the way I'm doing it. Like, it's kind of weird. But anyway, next off is round off back tuck. Okay? Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's so nerve-wracking. Almost. That was scary. Yeah. That's 4. We got 1 more, Maxie. We got 1 more, baby.
Ooh, that brother's floating.
I didn't jump. Okay. That was 5, right? I hope that was 5. I think that was 5. But, okay, that is my round off back tucks. As you see, they need a lot of work, like a lot. So I need to do that every day if I want to get better, because those suck. All right, next we're gonna try this Arabian thing. I'm gonna try to do 3 of these, Cause these are a little bit like, I guess, harder. Yeah, we gonna go for this. Here we go. I'm so scared. Oh, be quiet. Okay, that's my 3. I gotta somehow find out how to fuse it so that the jump is the same. So, yeah, that's what I need to do. Figure out how the jump can be the same. Obviously, me turning and trying to jump shouldn't be affecting how high I jump. So I need to work on that too. But that'll do it for this day's flips. Next time I want to work on like some flares, maybe even like tumbling. That would be amazing if I could tumble. We got through the whole round off back tuck thing. That was kind of nerve-wracking, but as you guys can see, I'm gonna work on that and I'm going to keep that going as well. But man, that was scary. Y'all see how many times I had to do that? Like, Jesus. Like, wow. Get over it. So, yes. That'll do it for today's video. So, everybody stay cool, stay laughing, stay loving. Peace.
She like just so I take pills up off her body. Yeah, yeah. She the baddest in the body.